What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter flavored keto donut holes. This is a variation on a very popular recipe on our primalkitchen.com blog, but we're going to be using the new peanut butter flavored collagen fuel. And to get started, we're just going to take about 1.5 cups of raw unsalted macadamia nuts. We're gonna add those to a food processor, and don't make the same mistake that I did and try to use roasted macadamia nuts. It will not have the same effect. I did this the first time I made this recipe and I could never get my dough to set, but hey, at least I ended up with some really good tasting nut butter. So next we're going to add a scoop of the peanut butter collagen fuel. And to that, we're gonna add just a pinch of salt. We're going to process that all in our food processor on low. And the key here is that you want to process it until it has the consistency of like a dough, but you want to stop before you get to the consistency of a nut butter. So you just have to watch it carefully. And that is looking pretty good and dough-like to me. And so next I'm just gonna take some of the mixture in my hand and I'm going to roll it in my hand into small balls. I'm gonna put these balls on a sheet pan covered with parchment paper. And if you're using 1.5 cups of macadamia nuts, it should make about 12 balls. And so I've got my balls made. I'm just going to put these in the freezer for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna take those out and I'm going to take a cup of powdered monk fruit sweetener. I'm gonna lay that out on a plate. And then I'm just gonna take my balls and I'm gonna roll them through my powdered monk fruit. And that is it. Super easy, super simple. And if anyone ever gives you grief about making a keto dessert, just tell them you're making them for your kids. You wanna give them something sweet and tasty that doesn't have a whole bunch of sugar. And if you end up eating them all, I won't tell on you. And if you wanna pick up any of the new peanut butter flavor of collagen fuel, you can head on over to primalkitchen.com, use the code HELLO20, and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.